Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE platform bearing retainer and part #WH03X33729. The GE platform bearing retainer and part #WH03X33729 is a part used in the assembly of a washing machine. It is designed to hold the bearing in place and keep it from moving around during operation. The retainer is made of metal and has a plastic coating to protect it from corrosion. It is an important part of the washing machine as it helps to ensure that the bearing remains in place and does not become loose or damaged during operation. This part is essential for proper functioning of the washing machine and should be replaced if it becomes worn or damaged. This part fixes the following symptoms. The WH03X33729 GE platform bearing retainer and is used to secure the bearing in place and reduce vibration and noise. It can help to fix symptoms such as excessive noise or vibration coming from the washing machine. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by unplugging the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the top panel of the washer to the cabinet. 3. Lift up and remove the top panel of the washer. 4. Locate and remove the screws that secure the bearing retainer to the cabinet. 5. Lift up and remove the bearing retainer from its position in the cabinet. 6. Place a new bearing retainer into position in the cabinet, making sure it is properly aligned with all other components in place before securing it with screws. 7. Securely tighten all screws to ensure a You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.